Hello and welcome to another video. And in today's video we'll be talking about budgeting. So if you really want to budget on a very small or low income, and because people really think budgeting you need to have a lot of money to budget, but right now I just want to explain the steps you need to take if you want to budget on a very low income. So let's get into the video. So the first part is the truth about budgeting. Most people believe budgeting is restrictive, that it's only about cutting out everything fun, but actually a budget is just a plan for your money. It gives you control, and when you are working with a tight income, control is everything. So I'll start talking about the steps right now. So the steps you need to take to budget on a very low income includes for the step one. So first step one, you need to know your net income. First, you need to figure your net income. So you need to figure how much money you actually take home. So that is your net income, the money you actually take home. That is your income after taxes, insurance, or anything else your job takes out. And the second step is track your spending. You need to track your spending. So next, you need to track where your money is going. You can use a notebook, or you can use an app like this. The name of the app I'm using right now is GoodNotes. You could use an app. You could use a free budget template. I will in the description of this video, I'll put some budget template that you guys can actually use if you don't have one already. And for 1 month, you need to write down every dollar you spend, even the coffee that you take out, fuel subscription, transport and stuff, and everything any money that comes out of your account, you need to write it down in the budget template. And that way you will actually see where your money is going, even subscriptions. That way you actually see where your money is going and what you need to like Netflix. Now you might not be using Netflix every day, but you are getting charged every month for it. So it shows you where you are leaking and where you need to fix in your spending. The third one is you need to choose a budgeting method. Choose a budgeting method. So this is the time to pick a budget system that fits your life. The easiest method that I know about is the 50-30-20 rule. So it is 50%, 20%, and 30%. So the 50% goes on needs, everything you need, like your rent, shopping. 20% is wants, things you just want, they are not really important, but you just want them. And the third one, the 20%, will be for savings or debt payment, because we don't want any debt here. If your income is tight, you can adjust the budget, but the best method I've been using is the 50-30-20 rule. So it is 50% for needs and 20% for wants, while 30% for savings and debt payment. The fourth method is prioritize essentials. This always starts with your needs. your rent, your groceries, your transportation, and the minimum debt payment. So those are the needs, which are the 50%. You need to know what is your whenever you get paid, you need to first take care of this 50% first. So they are the needs. What you if you don't get it done, you might be in trouble, or you won't be comfortable, and everything you need, you need to have it, not wants. So wants are something you basically don't really need like that, but you just want it. They are not really important. Why the 50% wants are the needs, that are the ones that are very important. And step five will be cut the leaks. Yeah, like I said in this one, in the part 2, in the step 2, tracking your spending. So if you track your spending, you'll be able to see where you are leaking out, where I don't know, where money is coming out that you really don't use, but you're spending money on it every time. So while if you're tracking your spending, you will be able to see the leaks clearly, and you'll be able to block them. And step 6 is automate your savings. Your savings. What this basically mean is just make sure every week you are putting money aside. So even if it's just £5 or $5 a week, make sure you automate it. Saving small amounts of money consistently adds up over time. You really don't need a lot, you just need to start. So automate your savings. The app I use for my own automation is if you're in the UK, there's this app called Moneybox. So basically they offer all these ISA, all these investment savings accounts, but the one I use is the cash ISA, because that one doesn't have a lot of restriction, and the savings ISA. So every week I put in £7 and £5 for the £7 for the savings ISA, and £5 for the cash ISA. And at the end of the month I put £30, round up, at the end of the month I'll just put £30. So I don't mind even if I've added £5 and £7 every week, but at the end of the month when I get paid fully, I put the £30 in it. So my total payments, my total savings every month will be 5 plus 7 times 4 plus 30. So this is 12 times 4 plus 30. So I'm saving £78 every month. And when I'm saving it, I don't really feel it, because it's just it's not really showing up when it removes, but it's not something I feel every time. It's just little change, but with time it adds up. So automate your savings is the 6th step. Why 7th step is review monthly. So a budget isn't set in stone. There's changes in your life, and if you review your budget every month, it makes it flexible and it makes it real. So this review monthly is just making sure everything is up to date. Maybe your rent has changed or something has changed, you need to adjust your budget with it. So reviewing it monthly will make you be able to quickly make some changes before the next month come, and you need to improve your budgeting, and so everything change on time. So for the bonus one, don't aim for perfect. Just aim for progress. Just make sure you start. That's the purpose of the budget. Don't make sure it is perfect. Just make sure you get it started, and it is If you overspend 1 week, adjust it the next week. The point isn't to punish yourself, it's to build awareness and control. And budget isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It's the freedom to know where your money is going and where it should go. And you need to start now, no matter how much your income is. Even if it's just £2 you could save every week, like, just make sure you do it, and with time you will see how much compounding it's how much compounding interest actually works. Then it's you see how it grows. So if you just putting it aside without like making any interest on it, that's a different one. So if you actually use Moneybox, you get like some interest on it. So I'll make a video on this the ISA Moneybox offers in some videos. So when it's out, I will like tag it in this video. So subscribe to like get it. So if you to know when when I actually post the video. And the freedom to know where your money is going and where it should go. Okay, yeah, that's all for the video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.